all about Zen.
Yeah.
Nice, huh?
So now I'm at Devon House Bakery. The bar. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jada. So welcome back to a day in my life. Today I'm actually in Jamaica. We are currently in between Kingston and Portmore, so I'm literally right before you go into the toll. I'm at that bus stop, so I'm in a taxi heading to Halfway Tree because I'm going to Devon House. So I was actually having a busy, overwhelmed, stressful week, so I told my friend and she kindly planned me a day. So we're going to Devon House, we're gonna do the tour. She claims we've done it together already, but I literally can't remember. So today's my first time going there, so I'll share my experience with you guys. And we're also going out for lunch. I've never been to the restaurant before. This is my first time, so I'll let you guys know how it goes. But I'm really excited. I'm so tanned, as you guys can see. My complexion has changed, okay? Guys, we're in the next taxi now, heading to from Halfway Tree to Devon House, and the rain is falling like we predicted with the clouds. It's actually drizzling. It's not pouring, but it's drizzling. That's a Halfway Tree bus park for my non-Jamaican subscribers. That park over there, that's the bus terminus. This is our bus fare. Because Jamaica bus fare raised, so it's no longer $100, it's now $120 or $140. It depends what taxi driver you get. Just a drop off. I'm just dropping off. Guys, so I'm at this cute little shop at Devon House. It's called Lemongrass. I fell in love with it when I came the other day, so I had to come back and I'm gonna try their teas. Let's go. Ready?
This is the Evening Repose. It's our best-selling blend, and it has all the herbs that are going to relax you, or all the herbs in it will relax you. They're mildly sedative, but it's all about Zen.
Yeah.
Nice, huh? So it has chamomile, lavender,
ooh,
rose
I can
petals.
smell the lavender now.
Yeah. And some lemon balm. 2 cups?
She don't want no tea. She don't care for it. Just one.
1 cup?
Yeah,
Gotcha.
please. Just 1 cup. Thank you.
Where are you traveling from?
Oh, the UK.
Yeah?
Yeah. You know we love our tea. London. London town.
You guys finally opened up?
Yes, we're back. We're out for now at least, before them lock we up.
What are you doing over there?
What do I do?
Yeah. How do you spend your days over there?
Vlogging,
Yeah?
doing project management, chilling, being
Where are you
cute.
from originally?
Jamaica, born and grew.
Okay.
And then we just stay over there, make little money, come back.
Yeah.
That type of life. Is it, oh, you guys made the cookie? Who made the cookie? Baked cookies, is it homemade?
Every last crumb.
Her IG is Every Last Crumb.
Last crumb.
So down good.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Especially the cheesecake, the cream pumpkin.
The pumpkin cake?
You gonna have your coffee to your tea to go?
No, can I have it here? We have
wanna
time.
have it here?
Can I have it here, please?
Okay.
If that's okay. We have 10 minutes. That's nice. That's alright.
After midnight. We gonna let it all
Get in
hang
my
out.
tea. I'm so happy.
Would you like a slice of pumpkin cake to go with your tea later?
No, we have a meal in a minute, so I don't want to ruin my appetite.
I see.
Yeah.
I see. Where would you like to sit, my love?
Here's fine. Thank you so much. Yeah. It's proper chill, guys. And I think they have, do you guys have a little garden area as well? Is this area yours? The patio thing? They have a nice little garden area outside. I would go, but it's rainy, so
It's still raining?
I see them have the wood in here. You can come and learn about the herbs. Are you guys on Instagram?
Yes,
Can I leave a link to your channel? You have a website?
We have an Instagram. It's Lemongrass JA. Lemongrass JA.
And it's very clean, guys.
Come up if you don't do the underscore. No.
Shows how much you don't care about it.
You don't care.
You should. That's where the money
You care
is.
more about the service.
And it's true. Love
Instagram
that.
will take care of itself.
Love that.
Okay, right there, your evening repose.
Ooh. Fancy schmancy. This is nice.
You want to catch this? You want to catch this on your camera, hon? Catch the cord.
It is. It's here. Oh, I'm gonna want to catch the port. Okay. That's 4. Ooh, like Moroccan style. Alright. Boy. That's nice. I'm excited.
Alright, give that a few minutes.
Yeah.
Pour and enjoy, my love. Would
Alright,
you like some
thank you.
honey or a little sugar?
Probably just a bit of honey on the side, please, if
Yeah.
that's okay. Thank you.
Got a honey stick right here for you, bud.
Cheers. Thank you.
You sure you don't want some? Yeah, I can bring you a cup.
No, alright.
Alright.
You sure? You gonna give me all of this tea to myself? Drink some? Okay. Guys, we're doing a tour of Devon House at the moment. Ooh.
This gate, just keep turning left, following the pathway, and
Okay.
you get to the front.
I need a picture at the front.
Alright, so as we're walking,
We're getting
let's
into our
start
Devon House.
greeting you. Photos are allowed in the house.
Yeah.
Guess what?
No.
Still photos in the house.
Okay, no recording.
Outside you can record and video.
Okay, this is Devon House.
This is just for photo, copyright laws.
I understand that, yeah.
Because they put it just finished raining and the advertising and the slippery. So stay close to the rain and just hold on. And why I'm making you use that side, the sanitizing station is on that side.
Hey guys, so I just finished the Devon House tour. I had so much fun. It was really insightful for me because I really enjoy learning about Jamaica's history, and the tour makes me want to go to Bobo Hill and Bob Marley, and I also want to learn a lot more about Mr. Stibel and his family and the whole history of Devon House. I would highly recommend it. It's actually quite affordable. How much was it? It was $9.50 per person, and you also get an ice cream and a patty with your purchase. So if you have a child, you can come here with them. If you're a couple, you can come here and learn a bit more about the history. Even by yourself, like, it's actually pretty cool. And we were there by ourselves this trip because it's quite late now, and you know, Jamaica curfew still happening. So we actually got a private tour without paying for a private tour. So yeah, that's my review. I'd probably give it a strong, I don't know, wait, that's a 10 out of 10 or 9 out of 10, but that's a 9 because you can't sit down. You can't really sit down and touch the stuff. You can't touch the stuff, you can only look. So I'd probably say 9 out of 10. And they also didn't have any photographers, so I think it would have been pretty cool if they had a photographer included in the deal. But yeah, that's my thought of it. We're just gonna go get the ice cream now and the patty, so I'll show you guys that. I love this patty, it's one of my favorite. I always get the beef, so that's probably what I'm gonna get today. Yeah, so bye. So now we're at the bakery and I'm gonna get the patty. So where you get your pay?
Paper.
But not attend to it. You want attend to it already?
I think I have to pay.
Huh?
Yep. Well,
Next door.
Through the door? Don't you? That's also there's no one attending to you. I don't understand.
Similar to tilapia. Okay. Alright, let me go find out. Thank you.
Hello.
Next door. Over here?
Yeah. They're sending us to and from because they don't know where. They don't know their jobs, basically. Sorry? So why didn't you just say that to begin with instead of making us waste our time going back and forth? They said that's not even where we do it. That's not. They're not saying they don't have party. They're just saying it's the wrong thing that you're saying. So what would you like us to do now?
Just say that.
So where do we go?
Yeah.
So where do we go?
Back to where you got this.
Thank you. They get the ice cream instead? Yeah, I prefer that. So there's no more patties, guys. Instead of saying that the lady have us going back and forth.
Okay.
More ice cream. Or you just want to get them back? You get back. You get money back? If you get back your money, then take it back. If you don't get back your money, then just take the food.
let's take which food? Oh, can I probably.
That's what I said, take the ice cream or take something else.
Can I get ice cream for Hungry Belly?
Then take back your money, then let's go. And just get Chinese or something.
It's probably like
Oh. And them know, so them like I ate the whole of Jamaica. Come, let's get the ice cream. We can't waste your money.
the thing is, you get a different one for ice cream, a pink one.
Come, that's not our problem.
Erica, what are you going to do?
Go over there and say it's closed and we can't get no party because the party is finished. So they have to give us the ice cream. It's not our fault why we can't get the slip.
Right, but
Come. It makes sense. I'll talk to the security. If they say nothing, they will just go. Then I'll just tell them. Then I'll just tell them. I'll just tell them 0 out of 10 experience.
hear me out, right? Let's go.
I have to hear for myself. I'm like this way. I don't know why.
It really doesn't make any sense within that difference.
And I'm saying I don't care. I'd rather go and try. No, it'll take 5 minutes. We can just call the cab meanwhile. Or you have to go take which part of the place there? We can take a bus?
We can just take a taxi go.
Okay.
same fish.
I'm not even going to join the line. I just going to ask him. I go say, are the woman we should go back to, you know, and I should give back her money. I'll come back down here tomorrow for you. I don't think you understand me.
Alright, listen to me. You hungry?
Yes, sir.
I am hungry. The time is 5:12.
Okay. Where should we walk? Where should we walk to?
Don't give me any food.
Alright, so walking something.
We're walking thing.
Even 100 not bad. I never have 100 food, but them
100?
drinks nice.
100.
I never have them food. But them the right so the and at least them have a rooftop too. Guys, the vibe I brought now because Devon doesn't have no party. So I can drop them tour and drop it down to 0 to 10. We got the last part sour man. All them for not have no party and that may I look forward to. At the end of a nice tour. I just kill the whole mood. And then we couldn't get an ice cream because it's a different slip you need if you want ice cream. And then the ice cream, the place we're gonna get the slip locked. So we did a wait for a taxi for take away to the restaurant. But we did one go initially, but the taxi them come up full. And the time no rush hour anyway, so it just got annoying to get a cab even if we're supposed to do a call one. So we are walking half a tree now from Devon House. And there's this Chinese spot that I really like that my friend introduced me to, so I say we can probably go there, but they don't have a dining space. So if we get the food, we can't dine. So where we're gonna eat? Where we're gonna eat food? So that's the problem now. But me and so we can go A bar. I'm not mind A bar, but I just want some drinks, some alcohol in my system, look at vibes. Because Devon knows I kill my vibes, so I build back my vibes. But yeah, that's how the update now. So I'll show you guys once I get the food.